Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Tuesday, November the 9th, a great day, especially for the resources space. Gold is firmly through $1,400 now. It's now trading around $1,414 as of taping. And last night, big news out of silver, broke through $28 an ounce. No doubt having some effect from that JP Morgan HSB news about the RICO and anti-silver pricing that's been going on there. So keep a close eye out for that. And based on that, we got great news out of the resources space. First up, Tvi Pacific trades on the TSX on the big board, on the stock symbol TVI, and the OTCQX for our American friends, Tvi PF. They announced the completion of their 18th shipment of copper concentrates. This is out of their Philippine operating affiliate. Here are the highlights. Gross revenue expected from this shipment, $8.9 million. These are U.S. dollars. Gross revenue year to date, $68.3 million. Copper concentrate shipped to date, year to date, 41,950 dry metric tons. So great news out of them, and congrats to Rhonda and her team over there. The company is saying that copper production remains steady. Concentrate grade levels have been kept around 20%, and the next shipment is scheduled in approximately 5 weeks. These concentrates were shipped in accordance with an offtake arrangement with a group called MRI Trading. So I always like to see that, because it says here that the offtake agreement provides that MRI will purchase all of the copper concentrates produced at Canatuan over the anticipated life of the sulfide operation. Company closed yesterday 13 cents. That's right at its 52-week high. 13 cents, 52-week low, 6 cents. So Tvi Pacific shareholders are very happy with what's going on there this year. Next up, Salazar Resources trades on the TSX Venture under SRL and on Frankfurt for our friends in Germany on the stock symbol CCG. Big news out of them here. They announced that they intersected 23.87 grams ton of gold, 1,252 grams ton of silver, 2.29% copper, 5.7% lead, 26.3% zinc. I'm doing a little up and rounding there. Great numbers there. These are the latest assay results from drilling at their El Domo deposit. It's a volcanic hosted massive sulfide project in Ecuador. The company's highlights here were from holes 1071 and 1072. 1071 were the highlight numbers that I gave you in the headline. 1072 also pretty impressive. 4.6 meters at 1.6 grams ton of gold, 64.5 grams ton of silver, just under 1.9% copper, and 4.25% zinc. This is what I really like about this company here. It's led by a senior Ecuadorian management team, and most notably by its namesake, Freddy Salazar. The team has been instrumental, it says, in other major discoveries throughout Ecuador. Being in Ecuador gives the company advantage, a strategic advantage of enabling the company to complete exploration at a rapid pace. That's translating, because you can see its 52-week price closed yesterday at $1.45, just off its 52-week low of $1.50, and pretty much a double from its high of $1.50, and pretty much a double from its 52-week low of 74 cents. So great news out of Salazar. The junior resources seem to be just popping. Next up, Anfield Nickel Corp trades on the TSX Venture under AANF. I've got ANF here also, so double check that stock symbol. They announced that they discovered a new high-grade deposit, intersected 18.4 meters, grading 3.05% nickel. This is a step-out hole. The company's calling this another significant high-grade nickel laterite deposit. It's been discovered on their 100% owned Maya Nickel project in eastern Guatemala. Here are some of the highlights. Hole TGS-10 005, 16.3 meters, 1.75% nickel, 8 meters, including 8 meters, averaging 2.39% nickel, and hole TGS-10 013, 22.5 meters, averaging 1.68% nickel, including 7.3 meters at 2.34%. Also go take a look at holes SIN-10 057 and SIN-10 084. Company closed yesterday 440, again doing great. 52-week low, just $2.41, and not too far off its 52-week high of $4.75. So great news out of Anfield. Switching away from resources, China-Biotics, NASDAQ, CHBT. They announced their second quarter numbers for fiscal 2011. This is a manufacturing distributor of probiotics products in China. Here are the highlights for the second quarter. Net sales up 37.6% to $23.6 million. Gross profit up 25.5% to $15.3 million. GAAP net income, I like this number, $10.8 million or 33 cents per share. If you extrapolate that out, that's if they can continue that, not decreasing, not increasing. You're getting a company that's going to be doing about $1.30 in earnings per share. They closed yesterday at $13.80, so you got a fast-moving company in China, trading about 10 times earnings, definitely worth taking a look at. Currently, their retail products are sold over the counter, mainly through large distributors to pharmacies and supermarkets in Shanghai and the Jiangsu and Zhejiang provinces. So great news out of them. Let's get to the stock halts for you. First up, entertainment media, INT on the TSX Venture Exchange. Their halt this morning at 9:04 at the company's request. Pending news. We're interested in that news for two reasons. A, it is a former AGORACOM client, and we do own shares in the company, so I want to disclose that. But if you've been following this story, the company announced just about 3 weeks ago an unsolicited $30 million offer for just one of its online products called Ortsbo, a translator that makes communications and translation very easy across social networks like Facebook and other social networks. We're watching this halt because we're hoping that it's going to be an update on what's going on with that unsolicited offer. The company has also stated that they've got offers from other companies. They hired on a big firm out of Seattle to be able to handle all that, so definitely keep an eye on that. And finally, Aintree Resources, also TSX, halted this morning at the company's request, pending news. That's a wrap. Have a great day. If you look for more great small cap companies, get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM. Watch the show. Take a look at the press releases and get into our marketplace to discover more great small cap companies. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.